Well, good evening. Hundreds of parents are on the hunt for a new child care facility after Appletree announced the closing of 3 locations.
For parents who don't know what their next step is, the Helpline Center is ready to help. KELOLAND's Summer Roddershot joins us with the details.
Yeah, Tom and Kelly, the Helpline Center is seeing an increase in calls. They've also seen an increase in parents doing their part to find their own daycare. However, with limited spots available, more people may be in need of their resources very soon. The closing of the Appletree locations came as a shock to many, including staff at the Helpline Center.
And so we just automatically thought of both sides of the impact of the news and what that means for planning and the immediate stress that's put on both sides, the provider and the parents.
The Helpline Center says that in just the last week, they've had around 30 Appletree families call them, needing help finding a new daycare.
There's going to be a continuing need as those spots become less and less as other families move into those spots. And so that's what that Child Care Helpline is here for, is for those families.
The Helpline Center has resources to help parents find the right daycare for their children.
So what we do is we provide referrals to the providers. So we've had over 80 providers in our community update immediately with us. So we thank them so much for that. And that helps us figure out, because if you're on the west side, we want to provide referrals that are on the west side, or maybe you do work on the east side and then you're open to referrals on the east side.
The Helpline has a staff member dedicated to getting people the child care resources they need, taking an active role in trying to solve the child care crisis.
So we are a small piece of the entire system working together, realizing that it's a workforce issue, it's an education issue, it's a very complex issue, and the Helpline Center wants to be part of the solution.
In Sioux Falls, Summer Ottershot, KELOLAND News. Schuster says they receive hundreds of calls each year from parents needing daycare resources. If you need help, you can either call 211 or we posted a link under this story on KELOLAND.com.